Good morning, dear students. Yesterday I have given you two questions related to the questions which I have already explained you in that video, but still two or three of you or many of you are facing problem might be. So I thought that I'll explain those questions only today. So the question was 3 upon under root 3 plus under root 5 minus under root 2. So what I told you yesterday, for these type of questions what you have to do, you have to make pairs. Make pairs means there are three numbers in the denominator, so we have to rationalize it. So in order to rationalize it, we will consider two term as one. So here I have taken root 3 and root 5 as one and root 2 as different, correct? So if root 3 and root 5 we consider as A and root 2 as B, so the rationalizing factor will be root 3 plus root 5 plus root 2. I hope it is clear. So what we will do, we will multiply with the rationalizing factors with both the numerator and denominator. Now this is the term which comes after multiplication. 3 multiplied under root 3 plus under root 5 plus under root 2 and a square minus b square. So root 3 plus root 5 ka whole square minus under root 2 ka whole square. Clear? Now what to do, this 3 has to be multiplied with both the numbers, correct? So 3 is multiplied with this number also and 3 is multiplied by under root 2. So 3 under root 2. Now here you will apply the formula a plus b ka whole square, means a square plus b square plus 2ab. So that only I have applied, a square plus b square plus 2ab, and minus under root 2 square will be 2. I hope it is clear. Now just multiply this again. 3 under root 3 plus 3 under root 5 plus 3 under root 2 upon this will be 3 under root 5 square will be 5. This is 2 root 3 and this is under root 5 and this is minus 2, and 3 under root 5 will be under root 15. I told you, if the power of surds are same, correct? Agar power of surds are same, then you can multiply both the numbers together. So here it comes 15. Now coming to the next step. 3 under root 3 plus 3 under root 5 plus 3 under root 2. Now 3 and 5, 8, and 8 minus 2 will be 6 over here, correct? So this will be plus 2 under root 5. Now again the number comes with a irrational number, that is under root 15. Now again to be rationalized. So if you will rationalize it again, now you will multiply it 6 minus 2 under root 15. So that the same thing I have done here. I have multiplied it by 6 minus 2 under root 15 with both numerator and denominator. Now what you will get, 3 under root 3 will multiply by this, 3 under root 5 will multiply by this, and 3 under root 2 will also be multiplied by this. See, I have written both three things, all three things separately. Now here a square minus b square means 6 square minus 2 under root 15 square. So here now I have done the multiplication. After multiplication, 18 under root 3, this will come full line. So now just simplify it. 18 under root 3 will remain as it is. 45, 9 5s are 45 and 3 3s are 9 and 5, correct? This is the prime factorization of this. 5 will remain as it is. Now 5 into 15. So 5, keep it like this only, and 15 can be written as 5 into 3. 2 as it is, and 2 into 15 will be 30. Now just simplify it. 18 under root 3, correct? Now 3 and 3 is coming 2 times, so 1 3 will come out. So 6 into 3 under root 5 plus 18 under root 5. Now here 5 will come out. So 6 into 5 under root 3 plus 18 under root 2 minus 6 under root 30 upon minus 24. So here it will come 8 under root 3 minus 18 under root 5 plus 18 under root 5 minus 30 and so on. So now this plus 18 under root 5 and minus 18 under root 5 will get cancelled and all the things will remain as it is. So what I have done now, see, 18 under root 3 and minus 30 under root 3, both are having the same power of surds with the same number inside the under root. So these can be subtracted or added, whatever. So here you see plus 18 minus 30 will be minus 12 under root 3. Now plus 18 under root 2 minus 6 under root 30 upon minus ka 24. Now it cannot be simplified further, means you cannot add or subtract them, but you can take common. What thing you can take common? You can take 6 common, because 6 2s are 12 and 6 3s are 18. But you will take minus 6 common, correct? So what I did, I took minus 6 common. Now inside it is left 6 2s are 12 plus ka 2 root 3. It is minus, so it will be plus. minus 3 root 3 and plus 30. So minus minus will get cancelled and 6 4s are 24. The answer will be 2 under root 3 minus 3 under root 2 plus 30 upon 4. So students, you can have a look of this question. See, this question may be little bit lengthy, but it is not so difficult. So don't be panic about it. It is not at all difficult, but practice is needed. And as you know, practice makes man perfect, and in maths you have to do practice as much as you can. So please keep revising, keep practicing. It is not a lengthy question. Again, I am repeating. Just you have to do practice. So make yourself perfect in doing the calculation. Nothing else is there in this. So please revise this question 2-3 times, practice 3-4 times, so that you can do it in better way. Now coming to the next one is 4 upon 2 plus under root 3 plus under root 7. Now see here, the same thing again I have done. What I did, I took under root 3 plus under root 7 as B and 2 as same A. So what will be the rationalizing factor? Rationalizing factor will be 2 minus under root 3 plus under root 7. Multiply with both numerator and denominator. Now see, very clearly what I did, I keep this 4 aside, side mein, and this I have kept inside the bracket as it is. And now here a square minus b square means 2 square minus under root 3 plus under root 7 ka square. So this 4 has to be kept outside only. Now you just see 2 is minus under root 3 plus under root 7. Keep it like this only. This will be 2 square will be 4 and root 3 square plus root 7 square plus 2 under root 3 under root 7. Correct? Now it will be 4 multiply 2 minus under root 3 plus under root 7. This will remain as it is, what is there. And this will be 4 minus this under root 3 square will be 3, under root 7 square will be 7, and this will be 2 under root 21. Power of surds are same, so number will get multiplied. So 4 multiply 2 minus under root 3 plus under root 7 upon 4. 7 plus 3 will be 10 plus 2 under root 21. Correct? Now open this bracket, so all the signs will change. This will be minus 10 and this will be minus 2. Simplify it. On simplifying, 4 minus 10 will be minus 6 and minus 2 under root 21. Correct? See, I am showing you each and every step so that you don't get confused anyhow. And see, this numerator one, we are not doing anything in this term. This will remain as it is just now. Now what I did, from this I took minus 2 common. When I took minus 2 common, so this will be plus 6 and this will be plus under root 21. Correct? So now this will get cancelled, and here you will get, just see here you will get minus 2 bracket 2 minus under root 3 minus under root 7 upon 3 plus under root 21. See, again 3 plus under root 21, this has to be again rationalized. So it will be 3 minus under root 21. Multiply with both numerator and denominator. Again see, this minus 2 I have not multiplied inside, I kept it aside. Now see, 2 minus under root 3 under root 7 multiplied by this 3 has to be multiplied with all, and this minus 21 has to be multiplied. Or you can do 2 into 3, 2 into this, 3 into this, then 3 into this, 7 into 3, then 7 into 21. In this way also you can perform. So I have just multiplied all. This is minus 21 here. So minus sign will be changed inside, all the minus signs will be changed. This you can keep in a square bracket also. So just see, this will be 3 to the 6 minus 3 under root 3 minus 3 under root 7. Clear? This will be minus 2 under root 21 minus minus plus under root 21 into 3 plus under root 21 into 7. I hope it is clear. Now see, minus 2 I have kept aside only. So this will be 6 minus 3 under root 3 minus 3 under root 7 minus 2 under root 21. So now this can be written as 21 into 3. 7 3s are 21 and into 3. And same here, 21, 7 3s are 21 and 7 was already there. Now take out 3 common from here and 7 common from here. So it will be 3 under root 7 and it will be 7 under root 3. Now uncommon things will get cancelled. Minus 3 under root 7 plus 3 under root 7. Both the numbers are same with opposite sign, so they will get cancelled. So over here you will get 6 minus 3 under root 3 minus 2 under root 21 plus 7 under root 3 upon minus 12. See what I did now, minus minus will get cancelled as 2 is outside the bracket and it has to be multiplied. So it can cancel this denominator. So 2 6 are 12 So now see what I have done. Next step also, minus 3 under root 3 plus 7 under root 3. Both are having the same power of surds with the same number inside the under root term. So now just cancel it. Plus 7 minus 3 will be 4. 4 under root 3 minus 2 under root 21 plus 6 upon 6. Correct? Now again what I did, again I took 2 common. So it will be 2 under root 3 minus 21 under root 21 plus 3. Now 2 3s are 6. This will be 2 under root 3 minus 21 plus 3 upon 3. This will be your final answer. Students, again I am reminding you, please keep practicing these questions. They have a big solution, but they are not so difficult. So keep practicing and keep revising. Thank you all.